Okay, we're going to move into the last segment of the show. This is coming up is a mini stock sectors. Arvi does a fantastic job on stock sectors videos. That's available with our level two special that we have. And sometimes we bring in these mini ones where I just look at, three or four or five different stocks. I've talked about the fact that if our stock market is going to hold up, you're going to need the MIDI and the Russell to turn upwards. It would give you a positive breath situation. But RV just talked about in Future Speak the fact that breath has been weak. It's been bad. And actually, where the buying has come in has been in the European stocks and China. So I want to look at those right now so you can get a good idea as to what I'm talking about. And, if you wanted to put your money somewhere that was positive, well, do it where the trading is positive, where there's upside momentum, and our information will help you with that. And that's going to be something that I'm going to show you right here as I switch over to the mini stock sectors. Before I do that, I want to remind you that you can get our 3 month non-recurring level two membership for only $114.75. So you sign up for 3 months, you won't be renewed unless you want to be. $38.25 a month for this immense amount of information. If you did not see the specifics on it, then go back and watch what Matt showed you earlier in the show. This is a great opportunity to really learn what we do. And all you have to do is go to the top of our website, go to this link right up over there where it says 35% off on level two special offer. Click that, and there's all tons of information there and the link for you to sign up if you want to do that. Now we are in this mini stock sectors section right now that I did that little promo in there. And here is that rotation. And I really want to show you this because it's really interesting. So let's take a look as we switch over to the charts. And then I want to show you the momentum tracker. And we'll switch over. I'm just going to put up a couple of these. We don't have all these in our system yet, and we're going to put those in there. So here's a look at Germany, and look at Germany on the intermediate, very bullish. So if you were, looking at our stock market falling apart, and you wanted to see something that was an opportunity, you have very bullish on the intermediate. You have neutral here only on the short term, and that's what you get when you are going to be in a situation where you're getting a pullback in a very positive condition in here. So I'm just going to show you the weeklies in here, and you'll get an idea. Look at Germany. Look at this upward turn here in our reversal scout early in this rising phase of this cycle right over here. And pointing to the upside, you can see that resistance up there. This is just beautiful. You can see this minor cycle right over here. These are actually not in the right place. Let me just take those out of there. And that's talking about a little pullback right in here and then moving up again. So there might be a little buying opportunity coming as it moves down. And you can see, I'm just going to put up EWU in here. Which is the UK short term that is still very bullish, intermediate term bullish. Let's just look at what the UK looks like in here. And this is absolutely powerful. Look at this information. Is this turned up right over here on the weekly reversal scout? And it's just smoking. Had an up week here with our market falling apart. So how important is it to watch these kind of things as you have some great opportunities? Let's look at EWI here, which is Italy. You can see the same situation. It's got this shooting star in here, so probably going to get a little pullback in here, but I sure want to take advantage. If anything to buy, it's the ones to buy that show this type of strength. EWQ is right here. And again, that same powerful look, a little pullback going on, but sure likely to come up into these areas right over here. And one more that I'm going to show you right now, and that is EWP. This is the rounds out the 5 European ETFs that I'm looking at. And you can see just super powerful. Look at this big upside week for Spain at a time when our market is getting absolutely slammed. So, this gives you a great idea of how you can use our information to see what's strong and what's weak. And let me get rid of this. And just for a quick look in here, if I look at the short term trade setup information in here, if I just scroll down right over here, and you'll be able to see these are all the stocks that are bearish. These, oops, I want you to actually see the very bullish ones first. Get that scrolling properly. And these are the ones that are bullish and very bullish. There are still stocks that are looking good when you look at that. And this will really help you understand. And of course, the ones that are very bearish right over here. And again, you can use this. I have this set to short term. You could set it to whatever trading style you are. And you can see the ones in here that are very bearish and gave you these negative signals. A lot of these went from bearish to very bearish in this last week. You could see Bitcoin actually went to very bearish on just a week ago. XRT very bearish a week ago. So, and you can actually get notified on these if you're a level 4 member. Download that app. So, fantastic application that we have here in the Market Condition Monitor.